to my adventure. Today's adventure is Raquel Welch Always in the color RL3027, which is Rusty Auburn. She's a little long, and now that it's getting a little cooler out, I'm loving being able to wear my long wigs. So let's take a look at the inside cap. We've got basic cap. So we have the basic front with velour. We have basic ears with good metal stays in there. We do not have an extended nape. We have a basic nape with Velcro adjusters. They are Velcro, so we got good Velcro adjusters. And then the stretch, we got really decent stretch on this. So let's put this baby on. I am wearing my Milano wig rib cap. If you've been here, you know I wear that to keep the wigs from lifting up in the back. It helps tremendously with the wig rib cap. Okay, so where does she want to part? Where do you want to part, Miss Always? Let's fix the ears. Let's make sure she's in the right space. Isn't she pretty? I thought she would go perfect with the orange. Yeah, I thought she would go perfect with the orange. She does too. Let's see, we got permatease back here. Yeah, we got, let's see, we got permatease near the nape. You know, I like a little poof. Let's see. Yeah, it's falling good. I think I like that. Flatten it down a little bit on the top of my head. Yeah, I think I like that. That's good. Love the color. Let me show you all around. This is my right. This is the back. And this is the left. Let me show you. We got good coverage here all the way down to here. It's covering most of my sides. I'm not going to straighten out that part. I want it to look messy. Not everybody's hair parts perfectly, so I like it to look like a little messy, so I'm not going to straighten out that part. I'm going to leave it like that. Alright, I'm going to take you over and show you my outfit, and then I will let you know how Always wore for the end of the day. Yeah, she's cute. Alright, let's go see the outfit. Alright, here is my outfit for the day. I've got this really nice, beautiful top on. I love how it goes. I've got a tank underneath it so that you don't see through it. Take you all the way around. Very pretty. And then I don't know if you could see, I've got these really pretty sandals underneath. They're like an orange and gold. They got a little bit of a heel. I don't know if you could see them, hopefully. But that's what I'm wearing for today. And I have nowhere to go but in the house, but this is my outfit for today. I'll go on WebEx and, you know, in any of my meetings and everything today, but I will come back and let you know how the wig wore for the end of the night. All right, thanks for stopping by. Hi everyone, it's my end of night update, and let's see, she was lovely for the most part, but I am having some dryness issues with her. It doesn't, when I look in the mirror, it doesn't look dry, but her ends, let me see if I can show you. I don't know, on this side right here, it's very, very dry. So it made it very kind of clumpy. Yeah, so it made it kind of clumpy. So it's very dry on this side. This side isn't too bad. It's dry as well, but this side was a little more flowing. But otherwise, fit-wise, she fit my head very well. It was a little hot today, so she was probably a little warm, but not that bad. But I loved the way she looked. It's just that the ends are getting dry. So I gotta see if she's heat safe or not, to see if I can steam her or see if I could do something with it. But otherwise, this is Raquel Welch always. I give her a big thumbs up. I would definitely recommend her. The color, this rusty auburn, went beautiful with my orange outfit. So I highly recommend. She's very beautiful. Yep, she's very beautiful. Nice and affordable. I paid $118 for her at Best Wig Outlet. So very affordable with the basic cap. All right, and if you haven't subscribed, then please consider doing so. And for those of you who have, I appreciate you so much. And thanks for stopping by. Bye.